Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy, top 50 designer ideas, latest uploading ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge, your garden with beautiful and stylish wooden decoration ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Latest uploading ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood, about wooden furniture, door designs, ceiling ideas, wooden projects, wooden decoration ideas, wall decoration ideas you can see in this my channel. Very useful ideas you can see in this my channel. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. You can easily decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and stylish decoration pieces, decoration ideas, wooden decoration ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas? Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Every design is different, every design is beautiful and trendy. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.